Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical pine garlands, the perfect solution for indoor and outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from pine garlands, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best pine garlands from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Hananona 2 Peaks Artificial Norfolk Pine Garlands. Enhance your holiday decor with the Hananona 2 Peaks Artificial Norfolk Pine Garlands. These stunning 6-foot garlands bring a fresh and elegant touch to your home, effortlessly complementing any style or decor. Crafted from durable PVC, these lifelike garlands maintain their vibrant appearance year-round without the hassle of maintenance or wilting. Each garland is designed with approximately 40 branches, providing a full and plump look that mimics the beauty of real pine. Versatile and flexible, these garlands can be easily arranged to fit your creative vision. Perfect for indoor and outdoor settings, they make an ideal decoration for Christmas holidays or any special occasion. Hang them on mantels, doorways, or walls, or use them as a centerpiece to elevate your gatherings. With no rotting or upkeep required, enjoy the everlasting charm of these artificial Norfolk pine garlands. Brighten your space and create a cozy atmosphere with this beautiful addition to your home decor. Number 2. DEPMEM 9 Feet Christmas Pine Realistic Garland. Transform your home into a festive wonderland with the DEPMEM 9 Feet Christmas Pine Realistic Garland. This stunning cedar cypress garland beautifully mimics the intricate details of real greenery, allowing you to embrace the holiday spirit without the maintenance of live plants. Made from high-simulation PE polyethylene, each leaf captures the essence of coniferous plants while ensuring durability. At 9 feet long, this garland provides generous coverage, making it perfect for draping on mantels, stair railings, or door frames. Its thick, lifelike design creates a warm, traditional holiday atmosphere ideal for any setting. Plus, it's waterproof and resistant to fading, so you can enjoy its beauty year after year with minimal upkeep. For best results, check out our unboxing tutorial video for tips on achieving a full and vibrant look. Elevate your holiday decor and create a cozy ambience with the DEPMEM Christmas Pine Garland, your perfect partner for celebrating the season. Number 3. Anna's Whimsy 6.3 Feet Christmas Pine Realistic Garland. Elevate your holiday decor with Anna's Whimsy 6.3 Feet Christmas Pine Realistic Garland. This stunning garland is designed with a beautiful blend of pine, cypress, eucalyptus leaves, and vibrant red berries, making it a perfect addition to your Christmas decorations. Measuring 6.3 feet long, this garland is ideal for draping over mantels, stair railings, or anywhere you want to add a festive touch. What sets this garland apart is its meticulous craftsmanship. Each piece is handmade using fine abrasives, resulting in a high-end, realistic look that stands out from ordinary garlands. With hundreds of quality accessories, you can easily personalize your garland by adding pine cones, Christmas balls, or string lights to create a stunning display. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, this garland is a Christmas essential that brings warmth and charm to your home. Discover the art of holiday decorating with Anna's Whimsy and make this Christmas truly special. Number 4. Party Joy 6 Feet Christmas Pine Realistic Garland. Transform your holiday decor with the Party Joy 6 Feet Christmas Pine Realistic Garland. This beautifully crafted garland features a lush design with 144 handmade cedar accents layered atop a sturdy rattan base, creating a full and vibrant appearance that embodies the spirit of Christmas. Measuring 6 feet in length, this garland is perfect for adorning mantels, dining tables, stair railings, doorways, and windows. Its versatility allows you to mix and match with additional decorations like pine cones and Christmas balls, enhancing the festive atmosphere in any space. Made from high-quality, durable materials, this garland is designed to withstand the elements, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Plus, its waterproof design ensures it remains looking fresh and vibrant year after year. Easy to store and reusable, the Party Joy Christmas Garland is the perfect addition to your holiday decorating arsenal. Bring warmth and charm to your home this season with this essential festive item. Number 5. TURNMEON 9 Feet Remote Control Christmas Pine Garland. Elevate your holiday decor with the TURNMEON 9 Feet Remote Control Christmas Pine Garland. This stunning garland measures 9 feet long and 12 inches wide, featuring a lush design crafted from 230 flocked branches, 20 Norfolk pine tips, 20 flowering pine needles, 10 cypress leaves, 10 real pine cones, and 10 stems of vibrant red berries. With 50 pre-lit multicolored LED lights, you can easily customize your festive ambience to suit any occasion. Convenience is key with this garland, as it includes a remote control that features a timer function, allowing the lights to automatically turn on for 6 hours and off for 18 hours. Made from durable PVC materials, this garland is realistic, easy to hang, and perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Adorn your fireplace, windows, stair railings, and more with this beautiful garland, and enjoy a charming, festive atmosphere throughout the holiday season. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.